Hi, I'm Karen with Peachtree Restoration's roof replacement company in Norcross, Georgia. We're a small but growing company. We've been working with RingCentral for many years. This past year, we became even more reliant on their central form of communication that they have in RingCentral. From an office perspective, a lot of our staff started working from home last year, and so we weren't able to go into each other's offices the way that we used to share information. We went from most of our employees working in or checking in from our office to the greater Atlanta area, which is also where we serve our customers. So before, it was a little bit easier for us to share information in each other's offices or for customers to come in and meet with the different departments at the same time. But everything changed and we needed to really tap into that central communication system, especially to reach our customers who were busier and had a little more stress going on this past year. So we used to have our billing, production, and customer service departments all reaching out to the customer separately. But we use RingCentral to make sure that all of our communication goes through a central line. So we have a RingCentral number, and now billing, production, and customer service and everybody in our office can send messages, make phone calls, and send and receive faxes through RingCentral to the customer. And the customer can also reach all of us at the same time by messaging RingCentral, and we can all see the messages from the customer in RingCentral. This is what the format is and how easy it is to just start messaging with people in our office or customers. So what have we done differently this year? Well, we used drones to get contactless footage and inspections of the roofs. And we've relied even more on RingCentral for our communication so that we can take our product from this roof shingle to these beautiful new roofs you'll see all over the community done by Peachtree Restorations.
Hi, this is Erica. Thanks, RingCentral.
Thank you, RingCentral, for allowing us to answer the phone while at home.
Thank you, RingCentral. We've relied on you so much to keep our business running.